Hey guys, welcome back for another adventure. Heading out today with about half of the family. We got Mark, Ben, my wife Luba. We are heading out to a place called Polly Creek, and we could not have a better day to do that. It's about 100 and some change miles to the south on the west side of the Cook Inlet. It's known for fishing razor clams, I think is how you say that. So anyways, we've never done any clamming before, so we're going to be trying something new. And it's like 65 degrees outside. It's like absolutely gorgeous, almost fall afternoon. So we're gonna load up this beauty right here, 654, with all of our gear and stuff. Get her fueled, pre-flighted. So let's get this airplane ready and let's go to Polly Creek. Alright guys, climbing into 654. Let me tell you, there's very few things that make me as happy as flying an airplane. What? Of course, with my family, it's just so much fun. Can't wait to get wheels off the ground. Heading south, soaking in this adventure that Alaska gives us by living here. So welcome aboard. Let me get some weather real quick, taxi out. And we'll start showing you what we see. Well, we made it to Polly Creek. Landed on this little hybrid road, that's what I'm going to call it. It's real long and kind of twisty and turny, but it was a really nice, smooth experience. So this is basically Polly Creek. You got some little cabins or shacks, I'm not sure what those are, but we're going to move the airplane off here into off the runway, if I could say that. And I'm going to secure it, get our stuff, put some lines in the water. Really like to catch some fish. I think we probably should head down right about here. We should be able to see the fish, literally right in the river.
You can walk right into the river.
Beautiful silver. Look at this thing. Beautiful fish. Anyways, my boys are out fishing. There you go, Mark. Let's get one. When you do get them, make sure you set the hook nice and good. Oh, he got one. I got one. Just keep it tight. Keep the line tight. Can't tell what you got, but.
Oh, it's a silver.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right, because you do want to wear him out because he's real strong right now. Oh, beautiful! Look at that silver. Come on, keep the tip up. You can do it. Fight this thing out. Let him get tired as well. Yeah, well, maybe. You're definitely giving him an experience.
Yeah.
Woo! All right, Mark, how do you feel?
I feel super good.
All right. How heavy is he?
He's probably like a 12-pounder.
12-pounder?
It's like how much our mom.
All right. Well, why don't you go wash him off real quick and put him away? All right. Woo! How you feeling, man?
Good.
Feeling better now?
Yeah.
Has your mood gotten better?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Is that your first silver on a fishing pole?
Yep. No, I think so, yeah.
All right, guys, so we're out on the beach next to Polly Creek. The tide is out, and it's a really nice spot to land, actually, right here. Super, super hard. So we've never done this before, but I guess you just walk out here, and I think you're supposed to look for like holes, and I think it might be out here in this darker spot where there's no rocks. So hopefully we don't step into any quicksand, but this is very, very cool. Just kind of walking the beach here, trying to get this climbing thing figured out. So far, it's not looking too good. Not quite sure if we're in the right spot. So I'm gonna go back to the river, see how the boys are doing. The climbing didn't quite work out as well as the fishing is. Fishing is insanely good here, man. Silvers are everywhere. These are the beautiful silvers that come out of the Polly Creek. Let me tell you, pays off to adventure more and crave life, doesn't it? Where else are you going to do stuff like this? Look at this beautiful, beautiful fish. This is a good, I don't know, 9 pounds, pushing 10 pounds. Absolutely gorgeous. That's what happens when you get too excited about fish. Guys, we made it back on such a gorgeous evening back from Polly Creek. I don't know what you thought of that sunset on landing, but I thought that was definitely the icing on the cake. You can still see a little bit of it behind me. Anyways, got the whole load packed into the van. Got fish. I think we've got about close to 60 pounds of fish out of that. That was pretty cool. That'll go straight in the freezer. So 654 is ready to go to bed. She really did a fine job today. Really happy with how she's running, and the horsepower situation has been improved with the last 100 hour. And the boys, they're fooling around here in the van. They're trying to kind of figure out who gets to sit right there. I remember that part of life. Remember when it's like, no, I got here first, no, I got here first, type thing. Anyways, my bride's right there in the car, munching on a little snack already. So we'll end the video there. Thanks for joining on that adventure. That was amazing. That was fun. And remember, adventure more and crave life. Oh, by the way, like, comment, and subscribe. Did I get that right?
No. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Adventure more and crave life.